Hey everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video and show how to get the first-person controller into your Unity scene. So what you're going to want to do is open up your Unity file to a blank project or wherever you want to import it into, and go to this window option at the top, come down to above my assets, go to Asset Store right here. What that should do is open up an internet browser into the Unity Asset Store, and you're going to want to come to the search bar and search first-person controller. Go ahead and click. From here, what you're going to want to do is come down to Essentials, click that button. Then you want to choose this Starter Assets First Person. This has been purchased because I'm on my account and I've used it in other games, but go ahead and click on it. Make sure it says First Person. Oops. Sorry, I clicked off it accidentally. One sec. When it comes up, make sure it says Starter Assets First Person 1. Then you should have the option to download. So go ahead and do that. And at the top, you'll most likely get a pop-up box that asks you to open in Unity. But go ahead and download. If you do this from your Unity window, you shouldn't need to log in or anything. It should log you in automatically. So you can say open in Unity. Yours will say download, but once you download it, you should get an option to open it in Unity. We'll say open link. Where you should find it is right here. It should open up your Assets Package Manager. And you can go ahead and click this button, Import 1.3 to project. And click this. Install upgrade. So it may have you download it first. So click once to download it, wait for it to download the assets, and then once that says download, you can click import. So just make sure everything's checked, import. All right, it should say in project at this point. So I can exit out, go back to my assets root folder. I can find the one that says starter assets. And this is where we're going to have our first person. So in the starter assets folder, I'm going to come here to first person controller. I'm going to come here to prefabs. Now this is the one we're going to use, the one that says player capsule. Don't use the nested parent unpack. Use this player capsule object. Then I can just drag and drop this into my scene. And then there's one more thing I need to do real fast. I'm going to make a plane so I have something to stand on. I'm going to pull up the player capsule. I'm going to add a cube so it's something to look at. So I can see that things are actually working. And the last thing I need to do is I have my main camera here. I actually, in order to get this to work, you see right now we're looking only through that main camera object. We want to look through the camera that's parented on this, but we don't have one yet. So if you come over here to player capsule, and then click this drop down, you'll see you have an option for this player camera root. What I want to do is come on here, and I want to add a component. Let's say add component camera. You see now that I have a camera parented right to where the player's head would be. If I go back and look in the game view, you'll see that my focus has changed from this main camera to this camera component I've added on the player camera root. And now if I go to play my game, you'll see that I am now in the scene and I can look around and move and control with the arrow keys and the WASD keys and then play my game. So that's it. It's pretty simple. That's how you want to set up and import your first person controller. If you're going from Unity, just make sure to, after you've imported, drag it in and add a camera component right here to the player camera root. That's dropped down under the first person controller. All right. Thank you, everyone.